Repairing a old wall and trying to do my best to put this back into a nice shape. I'll just throw some more rocks over there. Just a light restoration. I don't know when the GoPro decided to stop recording, but anyway, it is not quite finished because I want to backfill it a bit more, but I don't want to steal the rocks which have obviously fallen from other areas. So I've got some rocks there which I want to repair that a bit. So I'll find some debris from somewhere else to backfill that, and then it'll be nice and strong. Once the rain washes the rocks, they'll look a bit more like this, and the sun will look a bit more similar. At the moment it's a bit of a obvious place where I've repaired it. This is my favourite piece of wall over here. Yeah, real nice. And what's a shame is the lowest wall at the ground level is just completely gone. Completely gone.